Your ego is not who you are. Your ego is who you think you are. Your ego is an acronym that stands for edging God out. An ego is separating you, from who you really are. You think you're female. You think you're a New Yorker. You think you're the youngest child in your family. You think you're whatever of your group of friends. You think you're the only one who hasn't gotten engaged yet. You think you're the only one that isn't on the path to whatever it is they think they want. That's not who you are. Who you are is infinite, limitless, abundant, joyful, peaceful. Who you really are has no body. Your spirit incarnated here, and you have desires in your heart. That's who you are. And ego, the fucking ego, is keeping you from that. And so then it's keeping you in your suffering, because you know that you're infinite, your spirit, you are pure potentiality. You can be, do, have anything you want.